It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why do dogs eat grass? What can I do? It's not uncommon to see your dog chomping on some grass during their daily walk or while running around the park. There are many speculations about why dogs eat grass. But what is the real science behind dogs eating grass? Why do dogs eat grass? There have been many speculations and theories about it, but there is limited research on exactly why dogs eat grass. The truth is, no one knows for sure. However, scientists have formulated some theories and debunked some myths based on the research we have. 1. Instinctive behavior. Some scientists speculate that grass eating is an instinctive behavior in dogs that evolved from their wolf ancestors. We know from research done with wolves that 2 to 10% of their stomach contents may contain plant material. Wild dogs, which includes wolves, jackals, foxes, and coyotes, have also been observed to eat grass. 2. Supplementing a missing nutrient. In one particular case report, an 11-year-old miniature poodle had a 7-year history of eating plants and grass and vomiting afterwards. The problem was resolved when the dog was fed a high-fiber commercial diet. This showed that the dog was compensating for its dietary deficiency by eating grass and plants. Once the proper amount of fiber was provided in the diet, the grass-eating behavior resolved. But can dogs digest grass? Dogs are primarily carnivores, meaning they eat meat. However, dogs have evolved the ability to digest some carbohydrates as a response to coevolution with humans. Carbohydrates are sugar, starches, and fibers found primarily in fruits, grains, vegetables, and dairy products. If dogs can digest some carbohydrates, does that mean our dogs can actually digest grass? The answer is no, not really. Grass mostly passes through the dog's intestinal tract undigested. 3. Normal dog behavior. In another study, researchers found that grass-eating behavior was influenced by the dog's hunger and the time of day. Grass consumption was lower when the dog had eaten and increased before the meal. Grass consumption was also less frequent throughout the day. The researchers believed that grass eating was normal dog behavior and not indicative of an underlying disease. It's also been proven that dogs with gastrointestinal disorders are less likely to eat grass. 4. Curiosity. Dogs, especially younger ones, often explore with their mouths. Eating grass may be something they try, like some children eat dirt. Some dogs can learn to appreciate the taste of grass. 5. Seeks your attention. Other dogs may have learned that when they eat grass, their owners pay more attention to them. You can talk to your dog more or offer him dog treats to get him to stop eating grass and eat the treats instead. Sometimes pet owners will keep their dogs away from a patch of grass. This restriction may prompt the dog to eat any grass as soon as he finds it, because it is forbidden. Do dogs eat grass to make themselves vomit? There is evidence that most dogs do not eat grass to make themselves vomit. In one study, we asked 2 different populations of people about their dogs' eating habits regarding grass. Almost all reported that their dogs ate grass and almost none reported that their dogs regularly vomited after doing so. This study shows us that dogs are unlikely to eat grass to make themselves vomit. Can dogs eat grass? Is it safe? There are several safety risks for dogs eating grass. Some risks are not related to the grass itself, but to what it may contain that can harm your dog. Not only can environmental toxins, pesticides, insecticides, be in the grass and cause illness in your dog, but there can also be parasites, bacteria, and even viruses living in the environment that your dog can pick up from eating grass. A significant amount of ingested grass could also get stuck in your dog's intestinal tract, which can cause a blockage, especially if mixed with other non-food items. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.